have central air like we do, the central air just like knocks out any humidity that comes in. So what we are going to do is we are going to refill the humidifiers. And I have humidifiers, I kid you not, like all over this house. And big ones too. Like for instance, this one right here, which is around 55 to 58%. That's because the central air isn't on right now. But this one is a Levoit, and I believe this is Levoit's largest humidifier. And we have two of them, one upstairs and one downstairs. And these ones pump quite a bit of moisture into the air.